Hey you guys, Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today I'm in an attic and I want to talk to you about this water heater back here behind me. There's a whole lot of things going on with it, so come in closer and take a look with me. So let's start at the top and work our way down. And actually, let me take you to the roof and let me show you what's going on the other side of this flue pipe. So the vent we see in the middle here is a bonnet style vent. This is an outdated style vent for a water heater flue pipe. It can be subject to backdrafting and cause carbon monoxide to get into your attic space. Okay guys, back in the attic space and taking a little closer look at the flue here, you can see this flue gets very hot and it is actually in contact with the roof decking, which is wood and is combustible material. So that needs at least a 1-inch clearance. Moving down, we can see there are no screws connecting the flue pipe to the draft hood here. This is good because it can get separated amongst many reasons, including whenever you get a roof put on. But furthermore, the draft hood is not actually installed. You can take this and move it around. So it's actually not, this is supposed to be connected to the top of the water heater, and this should be connected to the flue pipe here, should be connected to the draft hood. So we got those two things going on. Now let's keep moving. So moving on, we look at these fittings and we can see quite a bit of corrosion going on. And if you look a little bit closely right here, you see this piece of plastic. That's called a dielectric union. That keeps these two dissimilar metals from touching. This is brass and this is copper. But we don't have that going on here or here, so we have a lot of corrosion. And this is an area where this corrosion will eventually lead to a water leak. Taking a look at the data tag, we can see it's from 2012 and a 50-gallon Rheem water heater. And we look at the pan and we look at the gas line. The only thing with the gas line is there isn't a sediment trap. Let me show you what a sediment trap looks like. This sediment trap is a part of the gas line that catches any sediment before it gets to the water heater itself. And finally, what I want you to take a look at is we've got the temperature and pressure relief line coming out down here, and we've got the drain line coming out of the pan, and these guys actually run in together. That is not correct. The temperature and pressure relief line should have its own line running to the exterior of the property. And furthermore, let me take you to the exterior of the property and show you what the other end of that looks like. Okay, so here we are on the outside of the property, and right here is the pipe where those drain lines come through. As stated before, the temperature and pressure relief line should have its own discharge pipe, and then the drain line should be coming out of another one instead of them both going into the same one. Furthermore, they should turn 90 degrees downward, and obviously this one's just shooting right out of the side of the wall. Okay guys, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. That was some things about the water heater. Quite a few things in one little small area. I'm gonna go finish inspecting this property. Hey, give me a call because I want to inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.